Here we have the Onyx colored Voyager. It's one of the knives that has the clock built into the front scale. This one has the clock and a day date. Excuse me. It's basically a climber with special scales. It has scissors as the alternative tool, plus the standard knife, 2 knife blades, and then the regular openers. You're looking at the bottle opener and the can opener here. And on the bottom side, it has the 91mm awl, the parcel hook, and of course the corkscrew, which this one happens to hold the mini screwdriver. Great for eyeglasses. This one is a plus model and has the additional tools in the scale, which includes the ink pen, of course your standard toothpick, and then a special tweezers, because you couldn't put it in the front scale. This is a shortened version of the tweezers installed in a slot on the back scale. You won't see this very often except on these electronic version scales. Also, this one has the pen, which is a stick pen located right here. The clock functions on this operate off this red Swiss Army Victorinox shield. By pressing it, you can go through the various functions, setting the time, day, date, etc. Takes a standard button type battery right here. Very easy to replace. That's the Victorinox Voyager. Thanks for watching.